truly live. Ruth Friedman. The right choice. Our parents always keep telling us to make the right choice. Do you know why? I didn't know. Until I took the dare lessons. Now I know why. Making responsible choices show respect and keep people safe, including me and those who love me. In Dare, I have learned that consuming drugs in any form is bad, and we should never ever use drugs. There might be many situations that will expose us to use drug offerings. Remember the right choice above, and we should make the right choice always to keep ourselves away from drugs. How? The Dare decision-making model will help define, assess, respond, and evaluate. Model will help in making the right choice, always. Once I define the problem of opportunity, I will assess my choice and consequences of each choice. We'll respond by making the right choice and finally evaluate my decision. One other significant thing that I learned in Dare is the importance of choosing supportive friends. I will choose my friends carefully, again making the right choice. I accept my future me to always make the right choice by staying away from drugs, choosing the right friends, and that will be a great gift to me and my parents, and those who love and cherish me, truly love.